Hey everybody, welcome. This is Roxanne is Rockin', Rockin. Well, yes, it's early in the morning on this wonderful Sunday morning. This is the day that the Lord has made, and I will rejoice and be glad in it. Anyway, I'm kind of whispering because there's somebody who's still sleeping, but yeah, so I decided, let me make this salad for myself. Well, it's a salad for one. Well, perhaps two. Well, let me tell you the ingredients. I have iceberg lettuce. I have romaine lettuce. I have cucumbers. I have red, orange, and yellow peppers. And as you see, the iceberg lettuce is on the bottom because that's the first one up. See that? Ooh, yummy. And then I'm going to put this particular salad dressing. Let me show you. I'll show you what it is. Give me a moment. Now I can either use this one, the Italian, or the Caesar. Which one would you use? But this salad dressing is so good. And it's sugar free. This one is really good. See who it's made by? Check it out. Gotta try it. You have to try it. And this one, what does it say? Organic. Now this one is a different one, but I'll try that one. This one I got from Aldi's. This one I got from Wally World. But this one is good. So yeah. Now this one is sugar free. This one is not, but this one is organic. So let's see. I'll let you know how it is. But anyway, this would be like early afternoon salad. Or you can have this at breakfast if you want. It's up to you. And I do have some chicken that I air fried. I might just throw some of that in there maybe for lunch. Who knows? It depends how I feel. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to have today. Oh my goodness, and it's just so beautiful out here. This weather, I don't know, is it going up to the 80s today? Put it in the comments, what is the weather like where you live at? Look at that. That's one of the mango trees. Look at that. Wow. It's another mango tree right here. I think this is a June plum tree. And I might just cut this tree this year. I might. Yeah. Because nobody eat it but me. And it's just... Well, the leaves, it wasn't too bad this year. Falling off of it, so... But I don't know. We'll see what happens. How I feel. But yeah. But it's beautiful out here today. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Every time I use this chemical to get this, see this where this yellow is at? It comes from the irrigation system because it's well water that does it. That wet the grass. I won't use city water. City water is too expensive. But every now and then I have to get this chemical to get these yellow things off because I can't stand the way it looks. But it comes right off. It's a 1, 2, 3. So I'm not really worried about that. It's on the outside, But yeah. But anyway, guys, I want you all to just be safe today. Enjoy your day. Do what you do. Whatever floats your boat, because that's exactly what I'm going to do. Whatever floats my boat today. Yeah. Yeah. I had some trips planned, but I had to cancel them because some other things came up of importance. So I'm looking to do some real nice things in this year, real nice things. And I'm still doing my thing in Nigeria. Absolutely. Yes. So I'm grateful for that. People still calling me from Nigeria. They haven't forgotten about me at all. And I mean, they call. Yeah. Just to say hello, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, texts, and all kinds of things. And I'm grateful for you guys. Yeah, I'm grateful for you guys. Look at this. Not quite, a little breezy, but it feels so good out here. Look, I got my robe on outside. Y'all can't see me because I have to show my face a little bit, but yeah. And I think today I am going to make some honey bran muffins. Yeah, maybe. We'll see how I feel. Make some honey bran muffins. It's beautiful out here. Oh my gosh. Look at all that God created. Unbelievable. Wow. Let me see. I'm just going to check on the side of my house. Let me look something. You know what I'm going to do? I think I'm going to do? I'm going to go to Home Depot today. Because I ran out of the chemical to get that rust off. I'm going to get that. I want to change my my bathtub, the stopper, whatever you call that. I'm going to change that. I'm going to DIY, definitely. And what else would be my project? Yeah, because you know how sometimes you use the wrong chemicals to clean your tub and things. Well, I've did that over the years. Sometimes bleach, and it tarnishes the metal, you know, in the tub. So I was like, oh my gosh, I have to change this because it's driving me crazy. I bought some new accessories or whatever for that guest bathroom, and I don't want to put them up until I change that. Imagine? Yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. That's going to be my project today. You know what? I'll probably go to Home Depot today and then do it when no one's there. No one is using that particular bathroom, which probably be tomorrow. Yeah. So I think I might take me a stroll today too, guys. What do you think? I mean, yeah, I might take a stroll today. Yep, that would be good for me. I did my salad. That salad is so pretty. You did that, girl. Now I have some red onions that I don't want to put the red onions in there because for some reason when you add onions and you don't eat it like that same day, I don't know, gives me a bad taste. So I might just slice up some onions and put them in another bowl and add it as I eat it. Add the red onions as I eat the salad. Yeah. So this mango tree here got some good mangoes. This is a Julie mango. Is it Julie? I'll be forgetting. On my own mango trees, I don't really eat mangoes because they're so sweet. They're good. I mean, maybe I might just eat one or two mangoes this year. Maybe. My neighbor over there, though, he has so many coconut trees. I'm going to have me a good time drinking that coconut. Yeah. Well, guys, listen again. Have a wonderful, 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 blessed day today. Stay safe. Enjoy your day to the fullest. You understand? Do whatever you feel like you want to do. If you feel like you want to chill and watch TV and binge on some movies, do that. Have your little snacky snack, do that. If you feel like you want to go walking, go out shopping, do whatever your heart desires, Yes, guys, so have a wonderful, blessed day today. Thank you for chiming in. Roxanne is rocking. That's ROCKIN. That's me. I have to show my face, don't I? Let me see. Oh my gosh. I hope I got this, because I have my bonnet on. Guys, Lord Jesus. I don't want to be looking all crazy. You understand? And if I do, I warned you, right? I gave you a warning. So, oh, that's not too bad. Okay. See, I have my robe on. Woo-hoo. Yeah. All right, guys. So have a wonderful day. See, I think they say you have to do that so they won't think you some type of bot, robot. All right, guys. Take care of yourself.